Are you going to take one hand in the start? Oh.
Thank you, son. Where's Erica?
I'm right here. That's fine. It's automatic. It's checking the light and checking the closure. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Hold on. And then we'll talk. Hold on.
Yeah, we need those for accreditation.
Good.
One more.
Done?
Done. Wait. Okay, now let's do a group picture now with everybody who's promoted. Okay.
No, I meant out of the building. There she is.
Make sure their hands.
Get right down next to Lamar and we'll cut right there.
You need somebody taller. Is this face on it?
Y'all stand the same way. Balance it on that side.
Yeah, get over next to David. That will balance it out, please.
One more.
Now, Let's do 2 passes.
Take it off.
Oh, you get it, okay.
Everybody that time.
Okay. FPO. Field training supervisor. They go break out with the department and to train everybody.
Response, second one. Wow.
We'll do FPO after that. We'll do this. Start with the FPO going backwards. Whoever you want to take a picture with.
Okay.
Anybody. Family, friends, anybody. Anybody want to take a picture with everybody.
Oh. Wait a minute, don't move.
Excuse me. Thanks, Mom. Thank who's next? Major.
I don't want you to take this. You need to get something out of here to take this.
Sorry. Middle spot right there.
Oh, very good. Oh, yeah. You got your eyes closed.
Okay, get the rest of it.
Yeah, you got your eyes.
Take a picture with me. Take a picture. No, we'll be okay. I just want my son and my grandson. Yes, honey, yes,
That ain't no telling with you.
but that was our son.
Yeah.
Oh,
Come on, my man.
There you go. And smile. Hey, look at the camera. There you go. Hey, didn't answer, he said cheese.
Next to him.
one.
Great. Yeah.
Okay, Patty.
Smile.
Wait a minute, don't hold You crazy, man. Anybody else? Everybody from special services. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm
Congratulations. Me and Lee scheduled an office for a show. That's a good thing, bro. All right. Okay. I'm like Drake. Take care. Okay.
Rob. Wait.
Yeah, we'll try one more. I just want to see. That came out better. Got it?
Okay, guys.
Don't go nowhere yet. Don't go nowhere. Oh, okay.
Now.
Can I do a picture?
We're down.
Kate, I don't know where Melissa is. She's just with the lunch.
Okay. Don't worry about it.
Pleasure. She's right around the corner.
We don't need this, man. Everybody gonna need this, man. Inspection services or have been inspection services. Let's get up here. That's all of us. That's what I'm saying. Come on, I'm serious, y'all. Come on. There's services in the house. Don't ding. Everybody. Make space.
Come on. Yeah,
Yeah, baby. Come on. Come on.
Okay, get ready. Go ahead. Snap.
I'm gonna get you. Oh God, my God. I don't know why my God. Who's in your ice cream? Wait a minute, hold up.
Yeah.
I'll get ready to say, man, you got to do this. Everybody say this. Come on. One more. Ready? That's the omen. Thank you, all the family members, especially for coming. They're really going to need your support down the road. Today was fun, but the hard work is really, really, really about to begin, and they will need your support. They will definitely need your support. I looked a nice piece today. A couple months from now, I'm still going to be the same, okay? Y'all help me out. Okay, thank you.